Hi, my name is Mercedes Cano. I am an immigration attorney here in the city of New York. This video is about the executive orders of President Obama. Let's talk about that. He's been doing that since 2012 about. Basically, it is of general consensus that when something is not working, a law is not working in the United States, the president has the executive power to do something about it. And the proof of that is that Congress and the House of Representatives have acknowledged the fact that immigration in the US is not working and that there's something that has to be done. Because they haven't been able to do anything about it, no reform, no new laws or regulations, the president has issued a few orders. The first one in 2012. He basically says that children who arrived before the age of 16 and they have been here since 2007 and they're not 31 years of age yet, they can apply for unemployment authorization as long as they register for high school or show that they have finished high school. That program is called DACA, and it gives the person unemployment authorization, social security number, and hopefully a driver's license if the person qualifies for it. That law is still good, so if you're out there and you don't have papers, but you enter before the age of 16, before 2007, please do come and call us and we will give you the information. The second law that he made was in 2013, and it basically says that if you are undocumented in the US, but you're married to a United States citizen, you have no crimes, and you can prove that your citizen spouse will suffer extremely without you, the immigration will give you the possibility to apply for a green card. You will have to leave the US and be interviewed at the US consulate, but more or less, the waiver will be approved in the United States. It is called the 601A Provisional Unlawful Waiver. That is still good, and it was issued in 2013. The third law that President Obama issued was in November 20th of 2014. And basically what he said is, if you're the parent of a United States citizen or a legal permanent resident, you qualify for unemployment authorization document. The second order that he did is to extend the DACA, the program for the young people. There will be no age barrier. So if you enter before 16 and you could be 45 now and you finish your high school, you apply for that extended DACA. If you're a parent of a USC, United States citizen, or a legal permanent resident, you qualify for unemployment authorization. That is the law that is actually being challenged in Texas. We got to stay tuned because on April 17th, there's going to be a 2-hour argument whether or not they should continue to implement this program or not. It's rather a procedural issue, but we have to pay attention to that. So what to do is what most of people come to see me and ask me. And this is what I said to you. Organize yourself, your documents. Look at the birth certificate of your child. Make sure that your name and date of birth is correct and is in there. If you have any issues with child support, please bring it up today if you can. If you have tax payments that you haven't done, please enter into an agreement to pay it. Get your passport up to date. Organize all your documents from the last 5 years to make sure that you have it for every other month at least, and be ready. The second thing that we are suggesting our people is to become part of a group, an organization. Don't just work and stay home. That is not going to work. Today's society is different. You got to be part of something, either your church, the organization down the block, I don't know. Just become active. Tell your story. Write your story. Send us your story. If you don't want us to publish it, just change your name. Maybe we can use it whenever we represent our people in Washington, D.C. or in any other event. Anyway, you just wanted to clarify that because there's a lot of people who are very hungry for information and it seems to be like nothing out there. So it's important. So keep up with our social media and my website, www.mercedescano.com. We'll try to keep up with the news. And please join a group in your community. Thank you.